The annual sports match chief guest, Mr. L. Dinamani Singh, principal of SB Gateway School, is arriving at the playground. So all the candidates welcome now. Respect the sir principal, along with vice principal Sir Lambam Tomba. They are moving forward to wish all the candidates of the mass pass for each and every houses. So all the students stand up. All the students stand up from each and every houses. Stand up. The chief guest for the annual sports meet of SB Gateway School is arriving. So all the students stand up and host along with clap along with welcome respect. Respected chief guest, Sir L. Dinamani Singh, principal of the SB Gateway School, has arrived to inaugurate the annual sports meet of SB Gateway School 2024.